We got 2013 F-150 XLT regular cab, rear wheel drive. It's got a 3.7 motor in it, V6. About 55,000 miles. It is in pretty great condition. It's a little dirty right now, but we'll note this driver's door's got a little bit of small damage on it. Little paint chips and a scratch there. A couple scratches here. You can see them. There's a little paint chip. And one more chip. Other than that, really, the truck is in pretty awesome condition. It's got a bed rug. As well as a hard tonneau, tri-fold. This side of the truck's pretty clean. It's just a little dirt. Get in here. As I said, pretty great condition, pretty low mileage, so driver's seat. Start it up. No lights on. Does it have WeatherTech floor mats? Pretty great tread on the tires, around 12-30 seconds, 12-14, something like that. Cooper Discover tires. Passenger seat. And WeatherTechs. One thing to note on this side, there is some carpet missing. Just the frillies on the carpet, not all the way through. Pretty clean engine bay. Again, 2013 F-150 XLT 3.7, about 55,000 miles. Rear wheel drive, regular cab.